Hi, my name's Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase a gauge. So today, I'm going to unbox our 7-color series fuel pressure gauge. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. You can get it in 30 or 100 psi. So right away, when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm gauge with a color change button on the front. Also inside the box, a visor for sun glare, 9-foot sensor harness, a 2-foot power harness, fuel pressure sensor, a mounting bracket and hardware, and full color installation instructions. If you need any vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.